Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. It's been a while. Thanks for tuning in.
Hey.
My name is Cindy. This is my kitchen. And that's Michael, my son, behind the camera. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey everyone.
Now, before we start, guys, I'm sorry I'm doing that, but I was like very, very thirsty right before Michael just went on without like telling me like for 100% that he was going to. Just give me one little second, okay? Thank you, guys.
That's right. Drink it on, drink it on.
I like my Coca-Cola because the Coca-Cola, when my stomach is a little bit upset, it makes you burp out whatever you got in there.
That's right.
So anyway, with that, guys, I wanted to say thank you guys to all those people out there for we're reaching over 2,100 subscribers. Thank you for tuning in, for liking our videos, for supporting us, for being there, for asking all the questions and just giving us your ideas and comments that you have about everything. So thank you all for being there. So with that, I decided that I was gonna make, guys, a lemon cake.
Oh yeah.
Out of a box. What do you guys think? And I want you guys to do it too. This was $2.69. It's from Krusteaz. It's a brand that is a little bit more of money than Nabisco or the other like cake boxes that they have, Duncan Hines and all that.
That's right.
I mean, pay $2.69. This is a good old lemon cake.
I love
Krusteaz.
Krusteaz.
With glaze. Here's the glaze. So this is what we're gonna do. I put everything ready. So we're gonna start by taking the flour that was in the box for our lemon cake, and we're gonna put it in a bowl. I like the see-through bowls because that way we can all see what is it that I'm mixing, you know?
That's
if it's
right.
covered around, nobody can really see.
Yes.
And then it also says 10 tablespoons of butter.
All right.
Now, I like to buy my stick butters because that way, when you buy the stick butters, it always measures it in teaspoons, like how many teaspoons. For this particular cake, I need 10 teaspoons of butter.
All right.
So, what I did was, a stick brings 8, and then I took 2 more tablespoons of this stick. I make it 10. I melted it. So, this is what's going in the batter.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Look how good that looks.
Exactly. The butter is
Already
going
looks
in
good.
the batter, right? It sounds like I said butter, batter, you know. So,
Butter and batter.
1 egg.
Batter that
and
butter.
1 egg. And what are we going to do, guys? This is what
Mix
we're doing.
it on, mix it on.
This is what we're doing. We're going to mix it
That's
until, you know, it's all mixed up. Okay, you just got to be a little bit careful there, you know.
Oh yeah.
And now you see, wow, I can smell the lemon. If you bring your nose close, Mike, you can smell
Only
it.
that smell-o-vision on
Can
YouTube.
you smell it?
Come on YouTube, make smell-o-vision.
And then, guys, what we're gonna do is
Smells good.
I'm gonna put this in
Very
this
lemony.
bread pan because it's a loaf, okay? And you butter it a little bit. That's where we're gonna put it. You're gonna set your oven on 350.
That's
and
right.
then we're gonna cook this for how many minutes does it say there? I gotta go through that again. I
Well,
kinda like.
let's take a look here.
Let's see the minutes there.
38 to 42 minutes.
So there you go.
So
38.
about 45 minutes.
Yeah. So
You know?
then what we're gonna do? Oh, that's the lemon. You see those little bolitas?
Lemon,
Do you guys see those little balls?
Yep.
That is supposed to stay like that because that is the lemon, guys. Wow.
That's right.
That is actually the
Fresh lemon.
You know? And
From
it smells
Krusteaz.
so good, you know, guys? And remember I told you guys that now I can kind of like eat all that stuff that I like. Because
That's right.
For some reason I had alias
That's
from
right.
a surgery, a big surgery that I had, so it kind of like messed with my intestines, and I couldn't eat rice, I couldn't eat pasta, I couldn't eat bread.
That's right.
I couldn't eat cookies. I mean, I couldn't eat anything, none of the good stuff. So now I kind of like started getting good like a month ago, and I'm like, oh, let me take a little piece of this, see what happens. And then when after I ate, I was like, wow, you know, I didn't feel like no pain, no nothing. So I continued to the next thing, next thing I know, you know, I'm healed. That's all I can tell you guys.
That's right.
But anyway, because of that,
miracle.
now I kicked it up on my. Am I doing exercise? So what I do, I go for my walks every day.
That's right.
So I've been trying to push in, and I've been pushing in 5 miles every day because 5 miles equals to 10,000 steps.
Yes.
So 10,000 steps, you can eat whatever you want, and you keep your weight or lose another pound or 2 in the weight, and you lose all the fat, and it looks maybe like I'm gaining weight, but I'm not. What I'm gaining, guys, is I've discovered is muscle.
Muscle mass.
And I love it. But let me tell you what, I'm gonna keep on doing my walks on top of all the stuff that I do here at home because I like to eat. That's all I can tell you.
Oh
guys.
yes, me too.
So, okay, so this is fully thing, so we're gonna put it in there. How do you like that, Mike?
That's right.
On 350, on 350 degrees, on your conventional oven, people.
For 45 minutes.
Well, it says from 38 to 42.
Well, depending on your oven.
So me
Let's say
and my
45.
son, like, we usually set it up because our oven, you know, is one of those home oven.
A conventional
like
oven.
with the rentals that that you have. So right now I'm just gonna take a fork
That's right.
and I'm gonna do this, okay, guys?
Wow, look at that.
And then this is gonna grow, guys, okay?
That's right.
This is not gonna stay like
It's gonna be a
that.
pound cake, guys.
Exactly. And then while I put this, see?
Oh yeah.
You'll see, guys.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna fall and it's all gonna be even.
That's right.
Okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it in the oven because it's already at 350. So we're not gonna go, I'm gonna put it in the center.
Oh, yeah.
In the bottom rack, just like that. It's on 350. Let me put the timing because we're not leaving yet, okay, guys? We're not leaving.
Not quite yet.
So we said, Michael, what, 40 minutes? We said 45 minutes, bud?
That's right.
45 is starting. So what that is doing, guys, we're gonna take this and we're gonna make our thing,
The glaze.
the glaze that we're supposed to make.
That's right.
So let's make that glaze. Right?
Sorry
Or
about
should
that.
we make it later? You know what we're gonna do, guys? We're gonna make it later. Let's wait until that cake, right? Because we don't want to make this glaze and let it be sitting there.
You want it to be
for an
fresh.
hour. Exactly.
All right.
So what I'm gonna do is, guys, this is 2 tablespoons of water, from 1.5 to 2 tablespoons, in a bowl. You mix it. We'll do it together when we come back. And 45 minutes for that lemon cake, right, guys? So don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. The Drink and Drive. And this is Cindy from Cindy's Kitchen. Thank you all for loving me. Love you all. See you in 45 minutes. Back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's just, it was cooking grease. So it's done. And also, guys, I was going to tell you guys, when I was mixing the cake and all that stuff, I forgot to add up the water. I was supposed to put 3/4 of a cup of water, and I didn't. But I did put toothpick, right, Michael? And it looks like
That's
it's
right.
cooked all the way. So, hey, look at that. Nice and clean. Look at that, Michael. Nice and clean. Maybe we just discovered something new. We made this lemon cake with no thing, huh, Mike? So
That's
I'm gonna
right.
put it up there. I'm gonna cool it off. And you wanna make the glaze, Mike? Or you wanna wait to make the glaze? No, let's make the glaze right now.
Well, we gotta see first.
And I'm gonna cool it off. Oh, you wanna see what? Oh, the cake?
Yeah.
I think it's fine. The only thing that we're doing is we're gonna let it cool off because it's so high. You see, as soon as it cools out, look, you can see, look, put the camera in the crack, you see? You can see, if you go like that, you see that it's fully cooked. So there's nothing wrong with it. The only thing, the water would have like brought it more up, grow more. But because I forgot the water, it's like that. But I think it's just perfect. So I would like to go ahead and make the glaze, guys. Remember what we said? 2 tablespoons of water. Michael, you can do that water. And we'll do that like right away. Look. So this is the frosting. Don't excuse my kitchen. I was making a little bit of pasta and meatballs for the family while this was baking. So here we go. This is for the glazing. And it says from 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of water. So we're gonna start with 1, okay? That's Ginger, guys, barking. Ginger, what's up, Ginger? Ginger has an attitude, guys. Okay, that's 1. And it says up to 2, right? So 1 3/4. There you go. And if I have to put a little bit more, I will. But I first want to make sure that this is not going to come watery on me. Right, Mike? Michael?
That's right.
Michael's like, that's right, Mom. The reason why I'm still holding these, guys, is because I don't know if I'm going to need a little bit more of water. I think we do, though. Just a little bit more. What do you think, Mike? Yep. Huh? Look at Michael. Michael just says, yep. There you go. I think that's good. So, let's make sure. Michael, you don't have to have that, like, all the way in the bowl. Why don't you just put the camera and the phone right inside the bowl? See what happens. You see, guys? This just says it's my sugar glaze. You see? That's how it's supposed to be. That means that's done. And I had it in the fridge. If you touch the bowl, Michael, it's cold. See? That was a good idea what I did, right? So I'm gonna try to take came out. Look at that, Mike. Oh my God. And we can close like right away. And maybe have a little tiny piece. I don't know. Here we go. So here he is. And this is our lemon cake, right? And I'm gonna take this like this, guys, okay? There we go. And this is our lemon cake with frosting, with lemon frosting, with frosting. I think it lost
Lemon
delightful.
glaze.
Yeah. What do you think about this, Mike? Tell me.
I don't know.
You don't know. Why don't you know, Michael?
Gotta try it.
I'm gonna try a piece right now.
Well, I gotta take a picture.
And you know, I
take a
can't be
picture.
making this stuff because if I lick this stuff, guys, then you know how they say, right? You go and you start gaining all them pounds, putting all them pounds back. But guess what, guys? That's why I work hard. I work hard like a horse, and I do at least my 5 miles every day, no matter what. You can ask my son.
That's
I
right.
don't care if it's raining. I don't care what's up outside. I'm doing that exercise because I like to look good. You know, I mean, hey. What lady out there doesn't like to look good? And we cut. I'm just gonna cut a little bit. Here we go. It cooked beautifully, huh? What do you think about that, Michael? Look at that. So what I'm gonna do, guys? I gotta take a piece. And I know, Michael, we're gonna have to do 5 miles, Michael. Don't screw me over, Michael. We gotta walk all the way to the mailbox.
Yeah, I know.
You understand? And put a hat in case it rains. Okay, here we go. Michael, we gotta make coffee. You guys jealous? Slow motion, guys. Oh my God, Michael. Have a piece. Have it open. That. Put it in your mouth. This is the best. So how do you say that? I would like for you guys to go to your nearest supermarket, get a lemon cake with glaze, pay a couple of more dollars. Make sure you're a little bit better than the regular Dunkin' Hines and all them. I'm not saying that those cakes are bad, but when you pay a little bit more, it's more moist, it's
good.
It's delicious. So with that, guys, I'm gonna tell you what, didn't put any water, and it came out so like, you know what, it doesn't have that fluff, kind of like airy feeling, you know, but it has that dense taste, and it's fully cooked. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Pinterest. If you want to donate, I'll go straight down to the link below to Patreon. Donate. Come on, guys. $1, $2, $3, $5. You know, we take care of anything you have. You know. But with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. Thanks for subscribing, people. You know, and we're gonna do wonderful things together. Have a good night.